Hi, I just wanted to share with you my 2 cents regarding replacing the heating element in a Bosch washing machine. I guess it could be useful for any washing machine. This machine started tripping the electricity in the house. I got to the conclusion that it was the heating element. I lifted from below the washing machine, I disconnected those plugs and I let it work without the heating element and everything was fine. That was before opening the stuff, the front door. So I got to the conclusion that I have to replace the heating element. I opened it, I took it out, and indeed, as you can see, it was full of stones, and I saw those marks, so I thought, yes, it was probably it. I bought a new one, put it in, connected everything. I let the machine work. It did finish a cycle once, and in the second one, it started, tripping the electricity again. So I took it out, and now I've noticed that the element itself was kind of damaged by the machine, and this is what is causing actually the ground leakage. Okay, this is what's causing the ground leakage. And actually, if I take a close look, I can see that in the older element there's also that mark. I didn't pay attention in the beginning. So taking once again a closer look in the machine, I've noticed that the drum is kind of a little bit goes down, and if you look at the inside, when I spin and I look in the inside and I put my hand, I understood that actually there's a problem with either the axle or the bearings, and this is what actually causes the malfunction of the heater. So I did spend a few bucks on learning stuff, and maybe I can save it to you guys. So if you have an issue with the element, take a close look at it, and also spin the drum to see if nothing is touching and everything is good inside. Another tip for you guys: when you insert the element, be careful and pay attention. I'm not sure if you can see this inside, but there is a bracket over there, and the element should be inserted in that bracket, not above it, and you should carefully spin. After you inserted the element, you should spin carefully in order not to damage it, to make sure everything runs smooth. That's it. So this machine is going to the garbage because I'm not going to spend money and effort replacing the bearing and axle. It was a very good one, served me well for about 14 years. Yes, it's a Bosch, and all a good one, but it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, guys.